What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 4 must-have marketing tools to make money online in 2019. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, these tools should be obvious to have in no matter what kind of a business you're involved in as an online entrepreneur. So make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. Alright, with that being said, let's get started with tool number 1. Tool number 1 is an autoresponder. Now this should be a no-brainer no matter what kind of an online business you have, no matter what niche you're involved in actually. Really simple. If you've been following me, you know that I'm all about email list building. There is nothing like email marketing. It always gets #1 recommendation from all the marketers around. They always tell you about the monies in the list. So we need an autoresponder because you just can't collect the leads in a Gmail account or something like that. We need an autoresponder because we want this to be working 24/7. We want people when they opt in to get into our follow-up sequence. Let's say for example it's 7 or 30 days or something like that. We don't want to wake up 3 a.m. and send an email, for example, to have the best delivery rate there also. So autoresponder is definitely a must here. My #1 recommendation, I always come back to this company. It is Aweber. I have been testing autoresponders for many years. I've been selling solo ads, so I learned all the ins and outs about autoresponders, and I always came back to Aweber actually. I think they work best with delivery and in overall actually. GetResponse is also another very good option, but unfortunately I had too many delivers in the spam folder. So in my opinion, Aweber gets my #1 recommendation. Now you can do your own research of course if you want to, but as I said, I've been testing this, spent a lot of money, so I always came back to Aweber. There is of course a lot of other options like self-hosted and stuff like that, but they are too much to get involved in here actually in this video. Go for Aweber, this is the #1, they are super easy to get started with, or GetResponse as well. Okay, tool number 2, we need to have some kind of web presence, and for that we need of course a domain name and hosting. Regarding domain name, we need a domain name for branding purposes. If we are running some kind of a business, no matter if it is a business name or your own name actually, you don't need to have a domain name. And my #1 recommendation there is Namecheap. I don't have anything else that I want to recommend you. There is a lot of other companies. GoDaddy is another option, but I heard a lot of bad things actually, so I can't say anything about GoDaddy. I haven't been testing them around, so I've been satisfied with Namecheap, and that is my #1 recommendation. Alright, regarding hosting, now you probably heard a lot of recommendations like Bluehost, HostGator. I say stay away from these companies. I've been testing hosting companies for over a decade for both my clients and for me of course, and really simple. You see that there is a low entry fee when you sign up, but next year and so on you will probably be charged double, if not even 3 times up or something like that. Plus they have horrible support. They are very slow sites because the bigger the company is, the more people are in the shared host companies there, and it tends to slow down the speed of our sites there. My #1 recommendation, I've been testing them now for a long time, very satisfied, is actually Fastcom. You can actually find a link through my resource page for everything that I'm recommending here. in my resource page on my website, and you find Fastcom there, so if you go through that link you will find the best price also there. So Fastcom gets my #1 recommendation regarding hosting. There are a lot of benefits. Whatever you sign up for is actually the price that you will pay second and third month and so on. So that is probably the most important, but also very important is that you get good support when you need it, and that they are fast and reliable also. And Fastcom fills up all those needs there. Alright, that's it about hosting. Third tool we need is to have some kind of a landing page builder. Usually it is a plugin if we go for the WordPress option. It can be OptimizePress is one of the most popular. InstaBuilder is the one that I've been working with, very happy with that. And there is also Thrive Architects. Now there's definitely much more plugins, but I think those are probably the most popular ones. So we need to build actually a landing page where we want to have to collect the leads. We want to build a thank you page or some other funnel pages there. So we need to have some kind of landing page builder there. Another alternative is you could go for something like ClickFunnels. They do have tons of funnels there, ready-made funnels. They host it and they do take care of everything there. It definitely is more pricey. They do have a monthly fee there. You could go for also another alternative like Builderall, but it's definitely up to you and your budget and your knowledge, of course, there as well. You can do just fine with the first option by going with a plugin like InstaBuilder or Thrive Architect or OptimizePress like I mentioned earlier. Or if you want, go for the much higher price, you could go for ClickFunnels or Builderall there as well. Alright, and finally, #4 is tracking. We need to have some kind of tracking tool, because if we don't track what we are doing, we are definitely lost and we lose tons of money there. Quick example is you need to split test your headline, for example, in your landing page. You do need to have an A/B split testing. You do need to track to see what converts in your funnel, or for example if it is a wrong image that doesn't help you to convert in that page. So you definitely need to track whatever you are doing. Or for example if you're involved in pay-per-click advertising, you do need to track what keywords converts. Okay, and in my opinion my #1 recommendation and the only recommendation right now is actually ClickMagick. They have been around for many years, they are reliable, they take care of the hosting and everything there, and have everything an online marketer actually needs. Anything from Rotator, A/B split testing, tracking if you got some sales there, some tracking in your funnels. It covers everything actually, so that's why I recommend it. It is my #1 recommendation. And as I said, you can see it in my resource page also. I will leave a link right here below. Alright, you have it. 4 must-have tools for your online business and to make money online in 2019 and beyond, of course. Now, if you got some value of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. You also find my #1 recommendation on how to make a full-time passive income online. You find that right here below as well, so make sure you check that out. And you find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips, entrepreneurship, productivity tips and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.